choke, man. Man, I ain't that shit. I motherfuckers really don't like me. I'm just passing through.
You understand, sir? He controls the airport security. They can't be here. He says you to leave. It's time to go. You gotta leave here.
Larry?
You have ID on you, Larry?
Larry? How the f is my name Larry?
That's what you said, right, Larry? You want to call EMS just to...
Su atención, por favor. Llamada por el señor
Man, what I
Caballero
done?
Santiago.
What I done? Oh, I got a whole few.
How you doing, sir?
Man, I ain't shit.
Is this your bag?
Yeah, that's my bag.
Are you catching a flight today?
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Okay.
I don't like nowhere being around y'all motherfuckers.
Nobody's going to... Listen, sir.
There go my bag right. Yeah, that's my bag. Yeah.
Sir, I'm Officer
I don't
Gonzalez.
want to look in your mind. Yeah, that's what scared me.
Listen, I'm Officer Gonzalez from the Atlanta Police Department. We will call because it seems like you are... you're swaying up and down.
I'm having fun with my life.
Yeah, but
you ain't enjoying your life. You probably got kids and stuff.
Yes, I do, sir.
I don't.
Right.
So, you got a bag.
Do you need any medical attention or anything like that?
Like me, man.
Do you need medical attention?
For what? You got it.
You swaying up and down. Look how your mannerism. It looks like you're high on something or drunk. Which one is it? You want me plain blow? Say it right. So which one is it?
At this moment, the encounter could still move in two very different directions. The man's unsteady movements, confused answers, and difficulty explaining why he is at the airport may suggest intoxication, but that is only one possibility. Similar behavior can also result from a medical emergency, exhaustion, emotional distress, or a mental health crisis. To their credit, the officers repeatedly ask whether he needs medical attention and even discuss calling EMS. But notice how quickly the conversation becomes framed as a choice between being drunk or high. That assumption may narrow the officer's interpretation before they have enough information. In situations like this, the critical question is not simply, what has he taken? It is he capable of understanding what is happening, and is he medically safe? The answer will shape everything that follows.
I ain't off neither one.
You have a boarding pass? You have a boarding pass?
Neither one.
Neither one? Okay.
Just love the way life goes on.
Okay.
I just love the way of life.
You need to...
I love the way of life.
You know, you got the general public here, and you're moving up and down.
My way, because they put you here to just f me over. They put you here to f me over.
No, you can't be swearing like that because they got kids.
I ain't swearing.
You just did right now. That's the problem. You got to be calm, relax. I know you.
Let me tell you this. When I came out of high school, I saw my brother kill himself with his girlfriend, and we was in the Virginia area.
What airline you flying on? What airline?
Man, forget an airline. I will walk back. I don't like nothing about y'all. Y'all don't like us for what reason? And I'm gonna be in a theater near you very soon, just so permanently.
So you're not catching a flight or anything like that? No? You have ID on you?
Say we ain't.
You have ID?
Everybody.
You want to call EMS just to...
Su atención, por favor. Llamada por el señor Caballero
What I done?
Santiago.
What I done? Man, if me and you was just, and you take off that, you take off that. And
what's your name?
My name is Larry.
Larry, what's going on today? You been drinking? What's going on?
No, my name is, man, I ain't been doing nothing but trying to enjoy life. My name is...
Well, you can't be here at the airport unless you're flying out. Or you're catching the train, either one. Which one are you?
This is where the legal and practical issue begins to come into focus. The officers are no longer questioning him merely because his behavior appears unusual. They are trying to determine whether he has a legitimate reason to remain on airport property. He gives shifting explanations. He may be flying, waiting for someone, passing through, or trying to return to his family, but he cannot clearly identify a flight. produce a boarding pass, or name the person he is meeting. Still, confusion alone is not a crime. The strongest justification for removing him would come from the property's rules and a clear order from an authorized representative, not simply because he appears strange or makes people uncomfortable. From this point forward, the key issue is whether he understands the instruction to leave and whether officers give him a realistic opportunity to comply before escalating the encounter.
Here to do.
I'm so busy letting somebody for. Man, I tell you what, I will use my bare hands with take all my clothes off.
Larry, you have a friend or family member we can call to come
I
pick
don't
you?
have nothing around here. I'm waiting
Listen, unless
on.
you're flying out, it's time to go.
I'm not here on trying to just be over here, you know, wearing.
Fly out. So do
Man, if you think you are just f***ing with me for no reason, wrong answer. Look, you can do all the.
Larry,
All the.
Listen, it's time to go. Wait.
I'm waiting
Larry.
on my.
What are you waiting on?
What won't you go? If you was in tune, if he was in tune with the people that he's supposed to be waiting on, he would know who I'm waiting on.
Then who are you waiting on, Larry? I don't know you.
Larry.
you have ID on you, Larry?
Larry. How the f is my name Larry?
That's what you said, right, Larry?
So y'all don't give a f. Well, don't touch me.
Then it's time to go.
I'm going when it's time to go. Y'all just ready to f me up. They ready to f me up, y'all. So if they f me up over here, be surprised of what happens when I get f up over here.
Get your stuff and let's go.
Take your shit and let's box.
Larry,
Take
your stuff and let's go.
Take your shit. Let's box. And I'm not disrespecting them. Hey, let me say this. Without law, there will be no order. Without the law or consequences or karma, there will be no order. Find out who the... Just because you own...
This time we're going to ask you to leave the property immediately. If not, and you refuse,
I don't have a problem leaving, man. Hey, y'all always running me off.
let's go. Grab your stuff and let's go.
Grab your stuff. Let's go, please.
Y'all different type of not giving a f about you. This is a different type of not giving a f about you. I never done nothing to kids. Y'all, look. I be looking at a lot of stuff. And this is the area where it comes from, but they be, y'all gonna be there.
Oh, right this start elevator this way, buddy.
Oh, hold on.
We told you it's time to go.
Time to go from here to. I can't go from here to my goddamn penguin, man. I ain't got time to be going on elevator and tote my bag. Well, tote the bag for me.
So let's go. It's your bag.
Man, I tell you what, y'all, I guess y'all gotta lock me up, huh? Cause that bitch heavy. Y'all, they treat me bad, and y'all don't even see it.
By the time the handcuffs appear, the situation has changed substantially. The man has been told multiple times that he must leave, yet he continues arguing that he needs to remain there. Airport personnel then confirm that they are willing to pursue charges. That detail matters because the arrest is no longer based only on suspicious behavior or possible intoxication. It is tied to his continued presence after repeated warnings. But the footage also reveals something more complicated. Once another officer speaks to him calmly, learns that he has never flown before, and asks where he is trying to go, the man becomes more cooperative. That raises an uncomfortable question. Was arrest unavoidable, or could clearer directions, transportation assistance, or medical evaluation have resolved the situation earlier? The officers may have had legal grounds to act, but legal authority and effective crisis management are not always the same thing.
Hey, get my bag,
We're getting your bag.
for?
Norman, what's going on, brother?
My mama's down.
I'm sorry to hear that, brother. I really am.
Yeah, you don't care.
Why wouldn't you leave? Where are you trying to go to? Norman, where are you trying to go to, man? Okay. All you had to do is leave, my friend.
Oh, I never flew before. I came over this way, man. This over this way got me stuck.
All right, man. Come on, walk over this way for me, all right? You been drinking, Norman? A little bit? If you have, it's all right. I mean, you an adult.
Playing before. Man, this
I'm
is my
trying to
first
help
time
you,
in
Norman.
your sister, man.
I know.
And this was my first time in y'all.
Where are you from?
North Virginia. It's cool. It's fine.
All right, hold on. Norman, have a seat for me, okay? All right, man.